Hello, beautiful people. How's everyone out there doing? In this video, we're gonna do a demonstration of this pouch battery that we have been developing. What we're gonna do first, we're gonna do about 2 to 3 things today, right? The first thing that we're gonna do is that we're gonna check each battery individually and see how many voltage we're getting off of it, okay? Second thing is that we're gonna put in what called series. When you put it in series, it's supposed to increase the voltage. And the third thing is that if we have time, we're gonna do a continuity test, okay? So we're gonna do the voltage first. Here we go. And they all should have the same. This one is saying almost 1 volt, 0.87. This one is 0.84. This one is 0.83. And we have one more over here, 0.84. So they're basically similar. They're all saying the same thing. So what should happen is that I'm gonna combine two first. Combine the first and the second one. And see how much voltage I have. It goes up to 1.70. Let's put two together now and see how many. .54. So you get the picture. If you want to get a certain amount of voltage to power something, we just have to make a few more of these and put them in series. Thank you for watching.